I've never played this dog in my life.
I ain't never seen a dog like that before. What incarnation? Hello, I know I'm about to be trading every little thing I get for. Hell yeah.
I hate these flying enemies.
Oh yeah, sir. This is my next board. This is not normal I thought. I thought like this.
Ocular HUD? Okay.
Ooh, move space.
Alright. Face. Oh shit, I should have gave you ocular HUD. You're like a sniper.
No, I don't need ocular HUD. Matter of fact, I don't want it. Also, that I was about to question whether I'd let you take this item and realize it's horrible and accurate. Absolutely dog. Oh, you already gotta save for fucking spaces.
Yep.
Damn, never mind then. You best be getting that Lunicone.
I swear, if this falls off the side of the...
Again, think about the devs laughing about it falling off the side of the mountain because they love when that shit happens. They find it so goddamn funny.
Or repulse armor.
There's a broken drone down there. This is gonna give me a heart attack. Fuck, I'll get the hero drone. You get everything.
I got a nipple tank too.
Oh hell yeah. Fucking goddamn. Every time I use my fucking dash, I have to hit something, and it immediately takes me outside the dash. God damn. I'm gonna take care of this healing motherfucker. A double jump? I think so. Hell yeah. Boy.
Oh my god. That's just abusive. Purity. It's not that big of a deal.
It literally is the worst. You're playing as one of the worst characters for on-hit items.
Also, purity is good for me.
Pretty much. Like, one more time. I didn't mean to hit that. But I got all shields, brother. I can do more of my thing. My, plasma shrimp. Hello. Also, you might be up the one to go get the thing. Because I can't really easily do that.
Do what?
The thing.
What thing?
You know the thing.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, the thing. Ow, my neck just twitched. Ow.
Basically, you're doing an accent.
Boom, get sniped, bitch. There's gonna be a button right here. Guarantee. Wrong. Holy shit. You want a red?
Sure.
It's not like it's not the best red, it's not the worst red. I just don't really feel like picking it up.
Where's the other thing you said?
What other thing?
Oh, the harvester stuff. Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Well, Thomas, you're supposed to be wrong. Remember never.
Bruh, you got rid of your crit. Do you not want the crit?
What do you mean crit?
The crit.
Oh, that's gonna get portal.
Up there.
The portal?
Yeah.
So high up. Oh, Acrid based.
Is there something up there?
Yeah. I got one lunar.
How are we supposed to step on pressure plates when there ain't no pressure plates? Found a pressure plate.
Space.
Quick shout. Okay, if you could stand on that pressure plate for me. Alright, here's my plan. Artificer as Iron Third column. Okay, 15 minutes, stage 2. Alright, over here.
I can just get a glorious comb and have a money printer.
Hell yeah. Hell yeah. Can't escape my wrath, motherfucker.
I'm not meleeing that thing. Hell no. You're not sucking me.
Yeah, no one wants to suck you.
Oh, gesture. I will take one. Take one.
I could have bought that shit for you.
I can, quote unquote, restock
You want
later.
me to get you one of these?
Yep.
It's fairly easy.
I'm a melee character on this map. Kill me.
Yeah, you'll be fine. How many bands is that? That's 4 bands? God damn. Come on, bands, let's go.
Oh, hell no. That Void Reaver.
Oh yeah. Alright, I'm about to kill some fucks. What the fuck? I'm dead.
What the fuck killed you?
I don't... It's just a story. Go on your ground.
But that's full of bad things.
Well, that's where they are. Like, go in there and to the right. Wait, go back. You're fighting it. You're fighting it. See it? That's it.
One of them.
You gotta kill that thing. There you go. Good, you can go in there safe.
Die. Nope. Oh god, those are overloading. Nope. Fuck away from me. You know I'm burning unnecessary amounts of time and it's gonna make it hell on us, but... No. What the fuck?
Wait, I looked away for a second. What hurt you?
What do you think?
Oh yeah, laser main. Anything that's got a laser like that, that's a red flag right there. Big red flag right there. Also watch out above you and to the left. There's one of those flying green slugs on the flame. It's not just a glitch, but it's a greater. Okay, I'm afraid for you. We've got a minigun there.
I've waited way too long.
Good. Okay, go charge the teleport.
Oh, it's only 71.
Oh yeah, charging from right there, okay. Oh yeah, it's gonna die.
Alright, charge. Oh, dead. Burn damage, dead.